first met Lee when he was in his training. I was one of his mentors at Columbia Presbyterian at that time in the 1990s, and I've kept in touch with Lee over the subsequent 20 years. And the few things that stick in my mind that I think make Lee really a unique physician is first his strong commitment to excellence in patient care. He's the type of person who puts the patient first, who's always going to be there when the patient needs him, is always going to do the right thing for the patient. And you don't find that in every cardiologist that you come across. That's something that I think is very, very important. The other thing that really I think sets Lee apart from many other trainees that I've worked with is that he's almost all cardiologists are smart, because that's how you get to be a cardiologist. Lee is smart in what I would call a creative way. So Lee thinks beyond the clinical situation and is thinking in ways that are different, and in a way that I think provides added benefit. So anybody can look at the results of a test and say this is the result XYZ. Lee is looking at that same test and really, in my mind, taking it to a different level, thinking about the underlying problem, the complexity of the heart and other problems that the patient may have, and incorporating that into the treatment plan. So he's just not just passionate about the patient care, but he's also developing a patient care plan that's actually exceptional. And those are things that stick in my mind about Lee that I think make him really an outstanding cardiologist. Yeah, so Lee is a great communicator with patients, with peers, with patient families, with other healthcare providers, so that he works well as part of a team. Yeah, he's charismatic personality, and I think that's part of the therapeutic intervention of physicians. So the physicians that are able to really engage the patient and understand what they're all about, and that helps tailor the care plan to what the patient really needs. And that's another great characteristic of Lee.